Cade drops back, pass intended for Zoran Vujaklia, just out of the reach of his outstretched arms. Incomplete. That'll bring up a 3rd down and 7 to go. Simon Hanks with the coverage on that one. Cade with the pass to Kaminsky. 10-5. Touchdown Spartans. Cade fired a bullet in there, and Kaminsky was able to bring it in and go the distance for the score. Minute and 29 left. Chardon goes up by 12. And here comes a couple more sprinting cheerleaders. Cade keeps it. Pass intended for Kaminsky is caught. 2-point conversion good. Spartans go up by 4.